Dear viewers, what you are watching now is a PUBG Trigger. There are a lot of PUBG Trigger in the market, but you won't see like this. It's because this is a DIY. This is a DIY product and I made this myself. So how did I make this? I used only 2 clips which my mom used it to hang clothes to dry up in the air. It's an ordinary clip. You will see later on. Every house has such clips, and you won't need to spend any penny for this. And you just have to buy a wire, that's all. Buy a wire. It's called lead. It's called lead. You will find this any kind of electronics parts store. So it will cost about 5 to 10 taka, not more than this. I just wrapped around it, and the wire acts as a conductive path. One end of the wire touches the button in the touch screen, and so the other end acts as a touch screen also. So you need to press any button there. You just tap on the wire, tap your finger on the wire, and it will fire. It's simple like that. So every person without any technical knowledge can make such trigger. And if you want to buy any ready-made trigger, so it will cost at least 150 to 800 and maybe more. So why do that if you can make in the home? So at least you can try. So guys, that's it. And I play PUBG with this trigger I made myself, and it works well. So do it and see if you can do it. So thank you guys, take care.